Hey people, Augie here, Switchback Trading. Jumped in long here on the NQ. This is a 30-second chart. You can see the fibs here. From here, high, low. Sorry, from this high to this low. Give a marker. From there to there, right? High, low, crossed above the 25% line, and it's above the EMAs. And we have a new indicator on here, this lovely ribbon, just to add some extra color. And yeah, we'll see what happens here. It's quickly approaching the 50% level.
Order filled.
Well, I take the profit, hit the 50. I'm gonna book the profit, I think. I know I always say don't, but gosh, 2,200, 2,300. Yeah, money's money. I'm building the account, $2,300. Yeah, okay. Till the next one. Laters.